Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. Law and order's banner raised. A party's plans move unfazed. Justice fighting once compromised. Created chaos, clearly not guised. Everyday breaking news. The judicial system and the Republican Party, GOP, are facing several unusual and unprecedented circumstances related to Donald Trump's legal challenges and political position. Multiple high-profile cases. Trump is facing numerous serious legal challenges simultaneously. Timing pressure. There's significant pressure to resolve these cases before the 2024 election, with concerns that a Republican victory could lead to the federal and state cases being locked down or totally discarded. Unprecedented nature. Many of these cases creating challenges for the courts and how to handle them. Political implications. The outcomes of these cases could have profound effects on the 2024 election and the future of the United States. Judicial independence concerns. There are worries about political influence on the judicial process, exemplified by the actions of Judge Aileen Cannon in the Mar-a-Lago documents case and the Supreme Court's immunity case. GOP dilemma. The Republican Party is in the unusual position of having its leading presidential candidate facing multiple serious criminal charges, forcing them to navigate between supporting Trump and considering the potential long-term consequences for the party and country. Constitutional questions. The cases raise complex constitutional issues, such as the limits of presidential immunity and the interpretation of the 14th Amendment's disqualification clause. Public perception. Despite widespread public witnessing of the January 6 events and the subsequent congressional hearings, there remains a deeply divided interpretation of these legal proceedings. A significant portion of the public views them as necessary accountability for alleged crimes and attempts to subvert democratic process. However, among Trump supporters and a substantial number of Republicans, there's a persistent narrative that these proceedings are politically motivated. This polarization presents a challenge for the judicial system, which must maintain its integrity and public trust while navigating highly charged political waters. The courts face the difficult task of ensuring that justice is not only done, especially, that the public sees it being done, in a climate where any action risks being interpreted through a partisan lens. This situation underscores the strain on democratic institutions when dealing with unprecedented legal challenges involving a former president and current political candidate. These circumstances are testing the resilience of American democratic institutions and forcing both the judicial system and the GOP to navigate uncharted territory. Indictments stack, a storm ignored. Their march continues, unexplored. The irony lost on fervent base. Very old tales find a new embrace. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.